Hello guys, welcome to cyberhunk, and now in this tutorial I'm introducing a kit for analyzing packets, or you can see it as a kit, but it consists of 3 apps. That is, let me rearrange this. Yep, it's in the order. Shock, first one, BitShock, it's for analyzing the packet, and the third one is MAC address lookup, that is a bonus. So actually what if you look back my previous videos, you can see how to capture packets by using Shark and by using other apps. So after capturing those packets, either you could save on your local disk, and this has a simple interface. Just tap on the start and just minimize the app and browse somewhere, so the packets will get saved if you hit stop. So that's all what you have to do on Shock. And while we are taking BitShock, this is a cracked one because I couldn't find the pro version, and the pro version is not on every website. I found this after a pretty long Google search, and so you already captured the packets, I believe so. And here you can see plenty of PK files. Let me open one. So right now, let me open another one that might be corrupted. Okay, this one. So right away it's opening, and it's opened. So as you can see, it's the best. I love this app. The way that I'm doing is, first I will capture all the packets by using Shock, and then I will save to my SD card, and I open that and I will analyze that packet when I reach home. I do this when I'm on a public network or something, or even if I create a hotspot and make everyone to connect in this hotspot, so they do so. And as you can see, some packets here, and the packet size, the protocols has transmitted. And as far as concerned, it's a simple app and it does all. It can analyze the packets, and I love this color variation. As far as concerned about what intercept NG, that I already mentioned about that app, but that app will only work if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, but we can't even analyze a packet unless we connect to a hotspot or a Wi-Fi. So that's why this BitShark comes into play. It can also capture packets, that's a good thing, and it can save it to our local directory, and it can also open files. So although comparing to other apps, BitShark, this is a pro version by the way, is not the, yes, you can see this is the pro version, this is not the normal version, and it's cracked. So by the way, you can download that from my drive. I have a compressed zip file of these 3 apps. Oh, I forgot to introduce this one. This is MAC address lookup, and this is a bonus one because when you're analyzing packets, you might get some MAC addresses related to many. Let me scroll down and find a MAC address. It's normal too. It's normal. Okay, you will get some IP address and MAC addresses along with that. I saw some ARC request, by the way. Yep. And source is this. Yeah, come on. So I'm gonna copy that, and let me go to MAC address lookup app. as you can see the device model. So you can also look up that on the internet, but this is a free app you can download from the Play Store. Anyway, I have compressed and I have made a zip file for these 3 apps. You can download that zip, and it should have a password for that zip. Anyway, I'm giving the link and the password on the description below. So by the way, you can use these 3 apps for your packet analyzing. That would be great. These apps would be great, because of it's simple to use. Just Shark has a simple interface and it does all. Just tap on the start button and just turn off your phone, turn your screen off, and after a pretty long time it will save. We can save that to our local disk, and that's why I love this app. It has simple interface, and all you have to do is just tap on the start button, and as you can see the size is now undefined. Yeah, as you can see, I think there might be some apps running in the background, so that's why it's capturing. It got 4 bytes, by the way. So if I keep going and keep do some Google search and stuff, you can monitor that here. So here I'm going to press stop for saving the file, and if you press stop, the file will be automatically saved to your SD card or somewhere else. Means you can find this path here where it got saved, and now the status is stopped, and just close this and analyze by using BitShark. And by the way, I forgot to say one thing. You can also analyze a packet in different way. Most of no, some packets were corrupted. I don't know why. This yep, and just tap on that icon and you can see analyze. Yes. And yeah, oh my gosh, 1300. Yeah, view stats. There you go. This is the overall summary of your packet that you captured, and you know that the IP for packets are 1213 packets, 20 packets for IPv6, ARP request 20 packets, and TCP 1119, HTTPS 685 packets. And there you go. It's cool, and stats calculation cancelled. Okay, may I switch to IP traffic? Overall review of that packet and the most frequently used destination. The first one would be, this would be Google's, I think, or either Facebook. That's all. And scrolling down, these are Google's IP address, I think it's so. Yeah, it's Google's IP address or Facebook. And you can just Google that. You can just copy this and you can paste that on the Google to find how on is that. And by the way, you can share, you can extract images if there is images in that particular packet. I think there won't be an image, and you can share right from here. This is a pro version, so you can share this, unless you can't share that. Open filtered view, no filtered one. View filters, no. This is the amount from which you can scroll. Oh, this is cool. You can scroll, by the way, by sliding this from left to right. Anyway, there's nothing to do here. Just download that zip and extract that by the given password on the description, and this three will be very essential. Okay, so check out my other YouTube channel. I've given the link on the description. You also need to check that and subscribe to this channel for further updates, and keep in touch. This is Ben signing off. Peace.